Hi guys, welcome to IndusCore Tech. This demonstration will just show you that I created two usernames to connect it to my UAExpert client. So the first username is the engineer, named engineer, and the password is 1234. And the other one is the operator, and the password is 4321. So why I did this? It's just to separate the process and give access to the engineer to control all the processing in my server, while I just restrained my operator to do some change in the flow rate or the unit. So for the operator, I just gave him the right to open and close the valve, and of course for the engineer to do what he wants with our process. So here I will show you how it works. So of course here I will enter my address, FreeOpcUa, and here you can see that when I try to connect, my server will force you to use the username, so you can no more try to connect with the anonymous. So I will start first with the operator store, and as I said, the password is 4321. I will connect. Here they say that bad security mode insufficient because we don't have the certificate. As you can see here, the server returned no certificate, as certificate check will be skipped. So now we will connect to it. This is my flow rate, as we did in our last videos. Now I will open the valve, so my server will start filling the tank. But when I try to change the flow rate, you can see that the operator cannot change it, and the same goes for the unit. I block it. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just remove it. Okay, and I will connect now with the engineer account 1234. Okay, I will connect. The same thing, I don't have the certificate, so that's why I receive this message of error. So the server is still working even if I change the username, the account. But now we'll try to change the flow rate here, for example 2.5, and you can see that the engineer can make some change in the process as well as for the unit. So I gave the right to write inside my server for my engineer. So this is all for me. I hope that you will appreciate the demonstration. I will try to make you another video on this. Okay, so take care of you. See you next time, and assalamu alaikum.